Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I want to show to you you need to take it down your microwave. It's sparking somewhere, like this is the case here. This microwave is something wrong there and you don't know how to take it down. And let me show to you. This is very easy. One screw here and one here. You're going to take it out this part here first. And you need like a little ladder to step on it, and you're going to pull it out this part first. You see little edge here, you have to put down, so easy come down. Next step, you see how that is here. We're going to vacuum. It's very important to vacuum. And we're going to disconnect it here. See, no electric there. This only you need to disconnect and put it down. When the vacuum and clean it good first, do anything. Okay, you see this long screw there? It's another one right here. When you vacuum, clean good, you're going to lose this screw here. But before you do that, you need to support the microwave. Just like that, look. Before you lose the screw here. Because when you lose the screw, the microwave go down, look. Because you need to take it all the way up. See the microwave go down? So you need to support. One screw here and one here. Obviously another one here in the back. Okay. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you, you have to pull it out the fan up. Because look, this part is connected here. That means you have to pull it up. It's a bracket here, look. This thing go inside here. So it's come out this way. And then you just pull it up. Look, this bracket here. Connected here. You just lift it up like that and come out. Okay guys, now you know. The microwave is sit down right here, look. 1, 2, 3. And the two screw. One here and one here. And you just melt this table there and turn up, and the time you come back just connect down. When you put it back, you just gotta be sure you're gonna connect this part right here. Okay guys, when you're gonna put it back, you see this little hole here? That's gonna connect here first. After you clean it up, the microwave is ready to put it back. You're going to connect right here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to connect here first, and then you're just going to lift it up and support in the back. Put the screw back, and you have another microwave. Remember, time to put it back, you're going to connect it here first. Okay, guys. I put it down this boy in less than 5 minutes. Very easy job. And now you decide. You see you can fix it yourself. You look around, so you maybe see a tutorial how you can fix it, or you just bring it to the specialist. In this case, the problem right here. See, it's sparking there. This is not my area to fix this, but let me see if I can fix it. If I fix it, I'll let you know, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. You might gonna need a little bigger letter to reach all the way up there. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless all of you. Take care guys. Hasta la vista baby.